Celestite is a striking mineral known for its delicate blue color and crystal formations. Composed primarily of strontium sulfate, it is often found in geodes, alongside other minerals like gypsum. While celestite is admired for its aesthetic beauty and metaphysical properties, it also requires specific care and maintenance to preserve its appearance and integrity. Its crystals can range from clear to translucent blue, with some specimens exhibiting an almost ethereal glow when exposed to light. Its popularity in both mineral collections and as an ornamental piece makes it important for owners to understand how to properly care for and maintain celestite. One of the key factors in maintaining celestite is protecting it from physical damage. The mineral is relatively soft, with a Mohs hardness of 3 to 3.5, meaning it can be scratched or chipped with ease. This soft nature makes it important to handle celestite with care, ensuring it is placed away from other harder minerals that might cause abrasions. For those who display celestite in their homes, using cushioned stands or shelves is highly recommended to minimize the risk of accidental damage. When cleaning celestite, it should be gently wiped with a soft, damp cloth to remove dust. Harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners should be avoided, as they can damage the surface and dull the crystals. Another critical aspect of celestite's maintenance is its sensitivity to environmental conditions, particularly moisture and humidity. Celestite is prone to deteriorating in damp or overly humid environments, as the moisture can cause the crystals to weaken or even dissolve over time. To avoid this, it is essential to store celestite in a dry, well-ventilated area. If you are keeping celestite in a display case or cabinet, ensure that the environment inside remains dry. Using silica gel packets or other moisture-absorbing materials can help maintain a stable level of humidity, especially in areas with high humidity levels. Light exposure also plays a significant role in the care of celestite. Although it is a beautiful mineral, prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause the crystals to fade or lose their vibrant blue color. To preserve the rich hues of celestite, it is best to keep it out of direct sunlight for extended periods. Displaying the mineral in areas with filtered light or placing it behind glass where sunlight is diffused can help protect its color. Additionally, rotating the position of celestite periodically allows it to maintain its natural luster without the risk of color loss from one-sided sun exposure. For those interested in celestite's metaphysical properties, it is important to consider the maintenance of its energy as well. Celestite is often associated with promoting peace and tranquility, and many believe it has a cleansing effect on one's spiritual environment. To cleanse celestite's energy, some practitioners recommend placing it in the moonlight or using sound vibrations like singing bowls. These methods help to recharge the crystal's energy, ensuring it remains a positive force. Cleansing should be done gently and thoughtfully, avoiding practices that could physically harm the delicate crystals. In conclusion, while celestite is a beautiful and fascinating mineral, it requires mindful care and attention to preserve its beauty and integrity. By protecting it from physical damage, maintaining a dry environment, limiting exposure to sunlight, and periodically cleansing its energy, owners can enjoy their celestite for years to come. Proper handling ensures that this remarkable mineral continues to serve as both a visual delight and a metaphysical tool, offering its calming presence to those who appreciate its natural elegance.